Hello, in this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to create playlists on TikTok. Creating playlists on TikTok helps you categorize your content so that your viewers can easily find whatever video they want from any topic. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, you can see these playlists right here on my TikTok account. As you can see them right here, those playlists contains several videos depending on the category. Now guys, you can see creating playlists on TikTok. You will find playlists right here on your TikTok. If you get that option, it will be right on the top of your videos on TikTok. As you can see right there, you will see add playlists. Now guys, I already have some playlists as you can see them right here, but you just press on create playlist right there and then enter the playlist name right here. Make sure that you enter the playlist name here. After entering the playlist name, make sure I press on next. Now guys, TikTok will bring you your videos and you will be choosing those videos you would like to add in playlists, and make sure that you start choosing those videos as you can see right there. And after choosing those videos you want to add in a playlist, you just press on done. Now guys, this is my playlist called TikTok Tips, and you can see it has 4 parts as you can see right there. This is the first part, second part, third part, and the fourth one. That's how guys you can create playlists on your TikTok. But remember guys, TikTok will give you the playlist option once you make 10k followers. If you have 10k followers and above, you can use this feature, but if you don't have it, if you are below 10k followers, there is no way you can access the feature of playlist. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.